Hello everybody and welcome to the Techie Guy. In the digital world today, it is no news that many organizations, individuals, entrepreneurs and businesses are thinking of getting into YouTube. It takes a lot of time and efforts in creating a successful YouTube channel. And chances are high that you will not become an overnight success by the time you get into it. Whatever the motives may be, it's important to have a blueprint that will definitely guide and keep you on track as you create your YouTube channel. Reasons why in this video, I will be sharing with you 4 important tips to consider when thinking of creating a successful YouTube channel. Tip number 1.
Define yourself. Before you can start to create your blueprint, you need to know who you are, what you like, and how you want to present yourself to your target audience. Defining yourself and creating your brand is critical for creating and maintaining a successful YouTube channel. You need to focus on something that you're knowledgeable or passionate about. As long as you do what you like and do it well, you will be able to attract an audience. There is no end to the things that you can get on YouTube, so go out and find your path.
Tip number 2. Define your capability. Usually it is said that content with high quality production on YouTube usually attracts a whole lot of views. But however, you can still create wonderful content at all levels of production. It suffices for you to be very creative with the equipment that you have, meaning you must not have the best cameras or lighting in the world in order to create good content on YouTube. But making use of your capabilities, of the skills that you have, to maneuver this equipment would definitely do good for you. So it's very important that by the time you want to start creating content on YouTube, then you need to know the kind of gears that you have. That is to say, the kind of cameras or equipment that you have, and coupled with your capabilities and the skills that you have in order to play with this equipment to get the best quality videos and pictures for your YouTube channel. This is definitely going to be a winner for you if you make sure you take this into consideration. Tip number 3. Define your audience. The most important part of having a YouTube channel is creating a good relationship with our audience. The relationship we have with our audience will single-handedly determine the success or failure of our YouTube channel. And in this case, everything we do on our YouTube channel should focus on our targeted audience. As we develop a good relationship with our audience, it's going to start helping us to, get demographic information that will in turn help us to, tailor very well our messages and, of course, build and gain a new broader audience. Tip number 4. Create a content schedule and stick to it. The key to starting and maintaining a successful YouTube channel is called consistency. Uploading strong regular content on YouTube is important and is better than uploading a mind-blowing irregular content. The more you upload content on a regular schedule on your YouTube channel helps build your audience and also create a good relationship with your audience as it draws their attention on what you do. I hope you did enjoy the 4 tips to consider when planning a successful YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please click on the subscription button below and also the notification bell so that each time we do put up a video, you will be the first to know. And of course, come grab the tricks and the tips and tricks that we've put together just for you. And if you have a comment, please leave it in the comment section of this video. And of course, our team will be more than delighted to take the conversation further with you and also to answer any question that you have. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.